Reading resumes is boring, unless you can move through someone's skills instead of scrolling a wall of bullets. Profile Orbit tries that. Same information, but laid out as a live graph you poke, drag, peel, and unfold into the actual CV when you're ready to read it. While you drag a satellite, the engine stops treating it like a passive point on the shell. It lerps the node's world position toward a pull target rebuilt from screen coordinates each frame. That inverse step, translate from canvas space, unwind yaw pitch, stretch radius, by how far you are from center, screen toe pull, is what makes the puck follow your finger and lift off the sphere, instead of sliding locked on latitude. It's all browser-side vanilla JavaScript as ES modules. No React, no 3.js, no WebGL. One HTML canvas, 2D drawing context only. State and tunables live in config.js. The graph, orbit items, peer pairs, comes from graph data.js or JSON from Django. App.js owns the loop. Layout slots from random layout, fold geometry from fold geometry pure, optional analytics bridge to the server. Maths is hand-rolled. Spherical directions, yaw pitch weak perspective, spring-damped motion on a shell, hit tests in screen space, eased morphs into 2D fold layouts. CSS, including Sphere-Django embed.css on the Django site, pins the rail, sticky scroll, and the canvas versus resume stack. So, canvas plus trig plus springs, plus a big config object, plus a few small modules, stitched by one orchestrator. Profile Orbit is a handcrafted 2D canvas experience that uses spherical layout, layered projection, and spring motion to read as a reactive 3D skill constellation, then cleanly morphs into a structured resume view when you need text. I built this because I wanted to show what's possible when you treat a resume like software. Interactive, intentional, meant to be shared. Thanks for watching my new Profile Orbit feature. To try it live, follow the app links in the description below. You can reach me through the app contact or GitHub. Appreciate your time. Keep coding.